Waving hand. Hello everyone, welcome to this brand new Forex training series. I'm super excited to have you here. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the lessons in this series. Now, let me reassure you, this course is designed completely for beginners. You don't need any previous knowledge of Forex. Step by step, I'll guide you from knowing nothing at all to having a solid foundation in Forex. Here's a quick outline of what we'll be covering in this free training series. Blue Book Module 1, Introduction to Forex. What is Forex? Why people trade Forex, advantages and risks. Who participates in the Forex market? How big the market really is. Blue Book Module 2, Basics of Currency Trading. Understanding currency pairs. Base and quote currency. Pips, lots, leverage, and margin. Trading sessions London, New York, Asian. Blue Book Module 3, Setting up for Trading. Choosing a reliable broker. Setting up MetaTrader 4 or 5. Demo account versus live account. Placing your first trade. Blue Book Module 4, Market Analysis. Basics of Technical Analysis. Candlestick patterns, support and resistance. Trend lines and channels. Basics of Fundamental Analysis, News and Events. Blue Book Module 5, Beginner-Friendly Trading Strategies. Simple Trend Following Strategies. Breakout Strategies. Using Moving Averages. Risk-Reward Ratios. Blue Book Module 6, Risk and Money Management. Importance of Discipline. How to protect your trading capital. Setting realistic profit targets. Controlling greed and fear. Blue Book Module 7, Trading Psychology. Common beginner mistakes. Building patience and consistency. Developing a trading plan. Blue Book Module 8, Practicing and Going Live. Transitioning from demo to live trading. Building and keeping a trading journal. Tracking performance and improving. So, that's the journey we'll be going on together in this Forex training series. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and tools you need to start your trading journey the right way. Backhand index pointing right, don't forget, subscribe, like, and turn on notifications bell so you never miss a lesson. I'll see you in the next class, where we begin with Module 1, Introduction to Forex. See you there.